CyBio SELMA is a semi-automatic pipetting station that can be placed space-saving onto a lab bench due to its compact footprint and design. This tutorial shows how to easily perform serial dilutions using the pipetting mode serial dilution and an 8-channel magazine for a 96-channel CyBio SELMA. The procedure is the same for a 384-channel CyBio SELMA and a 16-channel magazine. The first step is the pre-filling of the target plate. In this example of 150 microliters are being transferred. The pipetting mode pipetting is well suited for the pre-filling. The premix options can be used to pre-wet the tips. The already created and saved method is loaded. In this case, the pipetting heights are automatically approached. The Move and Pipetting button must be pressed to confirm each pipetting step. The reservoir is placed onto the lower position and the target plate onto the upper one. Now the 5 mixing cycles are in progress. After aspirating the 150 microliter, the head moves into the upward position. The spring lever is then used to move the target plate to the upper target position. The Move and Pipetting button must be pressed to start the dispense step. After pre-filling, the CyBio tip tray is removed and the 8-channel magazine inserted into the 96-channel CyBio SELMA to perform the serial dilution. In this example, the sample is filled in a 12-column reservoir that is placed on the lower position. The pipetting mode serial dilution is selected and the already individually created and saved method is loaded. In this example, 150 microliter liquid will be transferred for each of the 5 dilution steps. The liquid is mixed 3 times with 200 microliter between each dilution step. The user confirms with Start. The Move and Pipetting button must be pressed to start executing the method. Now the Aspirate step is in progress. The spring lever is then used to move the dilution plate to the first column. The following dispense step is then confirmed through the Move and Pipetting button. After 5 mixing cycles, 150 microliter are aspirated again, and the dilution plate is moved to the next column with help of the spring lever. The following dispense step is then again confirmed through the Move and Pipetting button. The sequence of 5 mixing cycles, aspirating 150 microliter and dispensing 150 microliter into the next column is repeated until the 5th dilution step. CyBio SELMA, your personal pipetting assistant. Check out the other tutorials on various topics related to CyBio SELMA.